We're still on the B1202. We've just left Rugby Village and we're heading towards Market Rasen to an area known as the Lissington Bends, which is a very good road to put your skills to. As you can see, we're still on a nice Lincolnshire country lane with the hazard lines down the middle of the road, slow in the road. Again, the road's going round to the left and to the right, and I'm coming to the near side for the road going round to the right in front of me. Obviously fields to the near side, hedges to the offside. Again, I can see the road's going round slightly to the left, so I'm going to go towards the middle of the road. Junction off to the offside, that's been checked. Again, I'm just looking down at the road surface. It's not brilliant. A bit of muck in the middle of the lane where the wagons go, but I will stick to the middle of the road just to improve my positioning. Parked car on the near side, that's okay. I'm still sticking to the middle of the road. As I can see, the road is slowly going round to the right, to the left. Again, no adverse course there, so I've got to stick to the road. Looking in the distance, I can see the road is going around slightly to the left, so I'm going to stay in my position until it opens out. And I can see it's going around to the right and then to the left, so I'll just move my position, bearing in mind the road surface that it's been recently repaired. Stick to the middle of the road, still got hazard lines down the middle which have now finished. The hedges have gone to the near side, still on the offside. Looking in the distance, just seeing where the road is going. Slightly to the left, so I'll stay where I am, and then come to the near side as the road's going to go round to the right. Still not very good near edge of the road, so I'll come back to the middle of the road. Still got hazard lines. The road's going round to the left, and then it's going round to the right, so I'll come across to the near side. Still not a very good road surface, been recently repaired, so again something to be aware of on a bike. You can see the council have been out painting it. Still got hazard lines down the centre of the road, so I'm coming back to the road as the road's going round to the left. And then it's going to go to the right, so we'll come to the near side and stay where I am for the time being. Got a series of bend signs telling me the first one's going round to the left, so I shall stick to the left-hand side. Junction to the near side checked and cleared. I can see that the road ahead is going round to the right, so I'll just bring my speed down using the gears, chevron board, and then just wait for the road to open out. Again, avoiding the edge of the road where the road surface isn't very good. I can see in the distance there's a van going off to the left, and that's where I'm going to go. Junction off to the right checked and cleared. Still got hazard lines down the middle of the road, and looking in front of me I've got a vehicle coming towards me, and I'm using the white van as a target vehicle. She's turning off, or he's turning off, and I'll just get them out of the way. So again, looking up the road, white vehicle coming towards me, I've got hazard lines still down the middle of the road. Looking up the road, I can see that it's going to go round to the left. Junction ahead of me checked and cleared. Still got hazard lines down the centre of the road, still change the road surface, so I'm going to stay to the middle of the road. That's just a better piece of road. Looking right ahead, I can see the road is going slightly to the left, so I'll still hold my position in the middle of the road. See the road's going slightly to the right, so I'm going to come across to the left, just open my views out. Again, I'm just looking across the fields for any possible views and where the road is going. We're still heading towards Market Rasen. Obviously field entrances you've got to be aware of. A quick look across the fields, you might see something approaching the road. Looking ahead, I can see the road's going round to the left. There's a junction to the offside that's been checked. Got hazard lines in the road again, so I can expect something coming up. Vehicle coming towards me. And then I've got to the main road going round to the right. So just bringing my speed down, using my gears. Quick check of all the junctions, bring my speed right down, check that junction to the near side. Past the pub and then go towards the centre of the road, and this is what they call the Lissington Bends, which is quite a sharp series of bends. Again, I'm still aware that there's private junctions to the near side. I'm sticking to the near side for my view up the road. Road sign telling me going round to the left, so I'm going to go to the middle of the road, just bring my speed down using my gears. Again, looking at the road surface, not the brilliant road surface. And this is the start of the Lissington Bends. Again, not a very good road surface. I know the road's going around slightly to the left, and then the next major turn I'm going to face is to the right. So we're going to come across to the left, look across to the right, but obviously being aware of the road surface. I can see in the distance the chevron boards. There's a road sign telling me it's going to the right, so I'm bringing my speed right down, stick to the outside of that lane, and then just build my speed up again. Looking in the distance, I can see the road's going slightly to the left, so I'll stick to the middle of the road, and I'll come to the near side as the road goes round to the right. The road here goes to the right, and then it goes a sharp left. And at the white farmhouse in the distance, there's a road off to the right. So just bringing my speed down, and then carry on the road towards Market Rasen.